What's up guys, DiecastAviation here, and today I'll be reviewing the Cebu Pacific DC-9-32 100 scale by Inflight200. I bought this model for 3,800 Philippine peso or $79 US. The DC-9 was Cebu Pacific's first aircraft that they operated, and back then they had these special liveries about the different cities in the Philippines, such as the city of Davao, the city of Zamboanga, the city of Manila under 757s, and the city of Cebu, which is the one right here. So here we have the box, which is nicely designed, and it is very unique to see a lot of color blue in a Cebu Pacific model, since Cebu Pacific's theme is always yellow and orange. Inside the box we have a stand for the model, and it's made out of metal. It is quite unique because this stand actually holds the model. It's not like a peg type which goes in the hole of the model, it actually holds it. Yeah, that is the stand. Next, we have a collectible card that has a digital image of the model with some details of the model written on the card. And behind you got the logo of Cebu Pacific, and it says 142, which I think it's the 142 model that they have made for this specific model. And finally, here you have the model. And I gotta say that this model is very nice and very colorful and vibrant. If you take a closer look on the livery, it has things that Cebu is known for, such as the mango. The rear, you have instruments, which is the ukulele and the guitar. Here you have a person wearing traditional clothing. And then here you got musical notes. Here at the back, this one, you have the fishes. And if you can notice, in the front of the model is color green. Here in the background, which symbolizes the land. Here you got the light blue color, which symbolizes the sky. And of course at the back you could see the waves and the fish, which symbolizes the ocean. Let's now take a look on the details. So here we have the front view of the model with the cockpit windows and some details below it. One detail that I would like to point out over here is that this tiny hole in the vertical stabilizer is used to scoop up air outside, and it is for the air conditioning inside the aircraft. The landing gears are made out of rubber and they all roll nice and smoothly. Here on the left side of the model, you got the L1 or the main passenger boarding door. On the nose landing gear door, you have the full digits of the registration, which I actually never seen before. Under the L1 door, you actually have a box over here, and this is where the foldable staircase is located. And over here, it's a city of Cebu. Over here, you got the 3D beacon light, the Cebu Pacific titles. You got the overwing exit doors, and then over here, you got the overwing exit markings on the wing. Going at the back, you got the registration, which is Romeo Papa Charlie 1509. Here you got the left engine, which has a fish on it. Here you got the Cebu Pacific logo on the vertical stabilizer, and on the horizontal stabilizer is color blue, which is quite unique because I don't usually see any horizontal stabilizers being colored, but actually in real life it is actually blue. Over here on the right side of the model, it is basically the same thing as the left side, but here on the R1 door, it's actually smaller than the L1 door. Over here you got the front cargo door. Got the green navigation light on the wingtip. Now if you could see clearly, actually you can't see that, but over here you got the back cargo door. Here you have the full top view of the model. Here you have the full bottom view of the model. And looking closely, you got the Inflight200 logo, which is very big. I'm not a big fan of big logos seen in the bottom of models. I like to point out this part. This part is very nicely detailed, and I think this thing's not an APU, but I think it's a emergency exit. And you see these things on the sides. I think this is where the it's a handle where you deploy the emergency exit, and there's I think it's a door that goes down. And here you got the model with the stand. That's about it guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow my Instagram, and see you guys next video. Bye.